Kalamera, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Greek cuisine to explore the delectable Tiropita. But there's more to this iconic cheese pie than meets the eye. Join us as we uncover some unknown and fascinating facts about this beloved Greek dish. Just take a look at these golden parcels of goodness. But did you know that the history of Tiropita is as rich as its flavor? Let's start with some surprising facts. Tiropita has ancient origins. It's been enjoyed for centuries, with roots tracing back to ancient Greece. Tiropita isn't just a one-size-fits-all dish. Across Greece, you'll find countless regional variations. For instance, in Thessaloniki, they add sweet semolina, creating a unique twist. Tiropita is a go-to dish for celebrations. Whether it's a wedding, christening, or a holiday gathering, you're sure to find Tiropita gracing the table, symbolizing joy and abundance. It's not just a homemade treat. Tiropita is a beloved Greek street food. You'll often see vendors selling piping hot, savory pies to passers-by. The name, Tiropita, hides a delicious secret. Tiropita is a fusion of two Greek words, tyros, for cheese, and pita, for pie. First, we'll prepare our delicious cheese filling. In a bowl, combine the feta, ricotta, and cassary cheeses. Add in 3 large eggs and mix them well. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, toss in the finely chopped fresh parsley and give it a good mix. Now, let's assemble the Tiropita. Take 1 sheet of phyllo dough, brush it lightly with olive oil, and layer another sheet on top. Continue this process until you have about 4-5 sheets stacked. This will give your Tiropita a nice, flaky texture. Next, spoon a generous amount of the cheese mixture onto the bottom edge of the phyllo sheets, leaving some space on the sides. Then, fold in the sides and roll it up tightly. Repeat this process to create as many Tiropita as you desire. If you have extra phyllo dough, make sure to cover it with a damp towel to prevent it from drying out. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Place your Tiropita on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and give them one last brush with olive oil for that beautiful golden finish. Bake these in the preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. Once they're ready, take them out and let them cool for a few minutes. There's more than one way to shape a Tiropita. While the triangles are classic, you can also find them as spirals, squares, and even individual mini pies. I want to share a few tips and variations with you. You can customize the filling by adding ingredients like spinach, leeks, or even sun-dried tomatoes for a unique twist. For a lighter version, you can use olive oil cooking spray instead of brushing each phyllo sheet. Remember, phyllo dough can be quite delicate, so handle it gently and keep it covered when you're not using it to prevent it from drying out. Tiropita is often enjoyed as a snack or appetizer, and it pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. You can serve it with a fresh Greek salad, tzatziki sauce, or even a bowl of Greek olives. Tiropita is incredibly versatile. It's not just a snack or appetizer, it can be a satisfying meal. Pair it with a side salad, and you've got a well-balanced lunch or dinner. You can freeze Tiropita. Make a batch, freeze them individually, and enjoy this delightful Greek treat whenever you want. It's often a family affair, with generations passing down their secret recipes and techniques. It's believed that these savory cheese pies were offered to the gods during festivals and religious ceremonies as a symbol of respect and appreciation. The Greek Tiropita isn't just confined to Greece. It has influenced other cuisines around the world. In parts of the Middle East, you can find a similar dish called borik, a testament to the culinary connections shared across borders. In Greece, Tiropita often takes center stage in traditional breakfasts. It's paired with Greek coffee, yogurt, and honey to create a hearty and satisfying morning meal. Working with phyllo dough, the key ingredient in Tiropita, is an art form in itself. But once mastered, it allows for the perfect balance of crispy and tender layers. While the original recipes were quite simple, modern variations include herbs, spices, and even exotic ingredients. It's a testament to the adaptability and creativity of Greek cuisine. Tiropita embodies the warmth and generosity of Greek hospitality. It's often prepared when guests are expected, serving as a symbol of welcome and sharing. Tiropita is a must at celebrations. From weddings to birthdays, this savory delight plays a vital role in the culinary tapestry of Greek festivities. The shape of a Tiropita can communicate hidden messages. Different shapes represent various occasions or messages of goodwill. Square Tiropita may signal the hope for stability, while round ones express unity. Before we conclude, I encourage you to join the Tiropita tradition. Whether you're exploring family recipes or creating your unique twist, this dish is a bridge to the heart of Greek culture and cuisine. Thank you for joining me today in making this delightful Greek Tiropita. I hope you try this recipe and share it with your friends and family. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. And as always, leave your comments and questions below. I love hearing from you. See you in our next adventure. Happy cooking!